Welcome to section Campaign Builder Reporting. And I absolutely love Campaign Builder and its reporting because it's really powerful if you know how to use it. So at the end of this section, you're actually going to know everything you can do with campaign reporting. So in general, we're going to start off by reporting on who is in a campaign, just generally, who's in there. Nice high-level stat. It's important to be able to pull that. And then we're going to start digging in a little deeper. So if you wanted to report on who is in, or possibly in the past was in, a specific campaign sequence, that's really important to know. You know, where are people at in your campaign? So we're going to learn how to report on that. And then we're even going to deep dive into the sequence itself and look at reporting on who is actually queued or who is waiting to receive a particular campaign sequence step. So if you had a long-term nurture email series, maybe it's like 6 emails over 6 months, you can actually see who's waiting to receive which specific email. That's actually available with the reporting here. You're going to learn how to do that. And then I'm going to show you on who received a specific campaign step, rather how to report on that. So just how you can say who's waiting for this thing, you can also report on who's actually received it. So you can do that down at the sequence step level. And then one of the most common reports you're going to do is campaign goal reporting. So we're going to close out this section with that. So you can actually report on who's completed a specific campaign goal. And basically with those 5 data points, you can get all the insight that you need, at least at a functional level, at a first order level for what you need. And if you needed to then extract this and look at something like, well, what's the average time between steps or something like that, this would empower that raw data, which you could then pull into Excel or something else and do some fanciness with it. So you're going to learn a lot about Campaign Builder reporting, and I encourage you to keep watching. In this video, we're going to be reporting on who is in a campaign. We're going to go in depth into campaign reporting in this section and all the different angles that we can hit the database. So in this video specifically, we're going to cover how to see who in general is active in a particular campaign. So we're going to look at navigating to your list of campaigns and then specifically the active contacts report. So inside Infusionsoft, you're going to want to go to the marketing section and go to Campaign Builder. And this will pull up your list of campaigns. And then find the campaign that we want to report on and click on the active contacts column. And here is our report. This is a list of contacts that are active in this campaign, and this report is going to show all the contacts who are active within any sequence that's in this campaign. So remember, this report operates like any normal search report, so we can customize the data to display by clicking on the Edit Criteria Columns button. So for example, if we wanted to pop their email in this report or something like that, we could do that as well. There's also another way to directly access this report if we want. We can go to our marketing reports, and towards the bottom we have our unique campaign contacts. And you would have to manually configure it. When you go the campaign builder version, it kind of does some of this pre-configuring for you to save some time.